Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix YouTube SEO for higher rankings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by conducting thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords. Identify keywords with high search volume and low competition. Incorporate your primary keyword in the video title. Ensure your title is engaging and accurately reflects the content. Write a compelling video description using your main keywords. Include relevant secondary keywords naturally throughout the description. Add timestamps for different sections of your video to improve viewer experience. Use tags effectively to help YouTube understand your content. Incorporate both broad and specific tags related to your video. Create an eye-catching custom thumbnail that includes your primary keyword. Ensure the thumbnail is visually appealing and relevant to the content. Include subtitles and closed captions to enhance accessibility. This helps improve SEO as it provides additional text for YouTube to index. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging discussion. Longer watch times can lead to better rankings. Promote your video on social media platforms to enhance visibility. Collaborate with other creators to tap into their audience. Monitor your analytics regularly to track performance metrics. Adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Focus on creating compelling content that keeps viewers engaged. Consistency in uploading videos can help build your audience over time. Experiment with different formats and styles to see what resonates best. Stay updated with YouTube's algorithm changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. Building a strong channel brand can also contribute to better rankings. Continuously improve your video production quality for a more professional look. Lastly, remember that SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.